Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this screencast we will be sharing with you how to create a unique radial blur effect using Photoshop. So firstly we want to start off by selecting the background layer and selecting Convert to Smart Object. We then want to head over to Filter and select Blur, and then we want to select Radial Blur. This will then bring up a dialog box called Radial Blur. From here we want to make some changes, so we want to increase the amount of the blur to 100, and then you have various blur methods that you can choose. So you could do a spin or a zoom. So for the tutorial we're going to use zoom, but you could alternatively use spin. Then select OK, and then it has applied that nice zoom blur effect to your image. But what we want to do is keep the car in focus so that isn't blurred. So we're going to head over to the eraser tool and we're going to choose a soft rounded brush. I'm just going to ensure that the hardness is being turned all the way down, and we're just going to turn down the brush size also. We're then going to select the mask for the filter, and we're going to make the brush slightly smaller, and we're just going to erase the elements where the car is so that isn't blurred. And if you want, you can also turn down the opacity of the brush to about 70%, and then just keep painting over the car until it is visible. And if you make a mistake, just simply undo it and then you can start again. And then just till you're happy with it and you can see all of the car in focus, that's when it will be complete. So we're going to try and include the tyres also and the bottom of the car. And there you go. And I'm just going to tidy this up slightly, a little bit around the tyres. And there you go. We create like a unique blur effect within Photoshop within a matter of minutes. It's a nice effect and it makes it look like the car's travelling rather than stationary. It's a good effect and I hope it's one that you can apply to your imagery and design projects in the future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for the quick tips on how to use Photoshop.